Hello, everyone. Thank you for your patience. I don't know why this is not working on the first upload, so we'll make sure that next week's blending does work on the first load. And again, thank you for your patience. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with our blending, and these are all sounds that we have practiced. So we blend by putting two sounds together at a time. So this word we would go s, I, si, sim, sim. Try this one. So you would say p, a, pa, pad, pad. Try this one. L, I, li, lin, lin. Next word. So we would say sa, sad, sad. All right. I, li, lim, lim. Okay. A, na, nap, nap. Here it is. I, mi, mid, mid. A, na, nad, nad. All right, that's the end. So you can go back over those and practice again if you feel like you need to. This is just for practice right now. I'm not expecting that our kindergartners have mastered this skill. So this is just something to practice with the sounds that you know. You can actually even make cards to do this on your own if you feel like your kindergartner needs a little more practice. Thanks for working with me.